Did a software update break the Wshbth Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get Windows Socket's Bluetooth helper running again. Don't let Wshbth Library slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Wshbth Library, the Windows Socket's Bluetooth helper. It provides the unmanaged socket interface for Bluetooth protocols, L2CAP, RFCOMM. It facilitates the data link between applications and the Bluetooth hardware orchestration manifests. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like Wshbth Library DLL. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to re-sync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Wshbth library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Be aware that manual interventions for Wshbth Library DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. A maintenance path for Wshbth library and system optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Wshbth library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.